Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform a simple family group photo into a magical, ultra-realistic Christmas portrait featuring Saint Nicholas, with your child sitting on his lap. We're doing everything inside Nano Banana, and you'll see how fast and easy it is to turn a regular picture into a holiday masterpiece. For this tutorial, you'll need a few photos that include all family members together, everyone clearly visible, faces looking toward the camera, and good lighting. It doesn't need to be festive. Nano Banana will handle the transformation. Here is a pro tip. Try to pick a photo where the child is already sitting or positioned in a way that can naturally be placed on St. Nicholas's lap. Then go to Google Gemini and upload the photos. Once the images are uploaded, enter this prompt. Turn this group family photo into an ultra-realistic 4K Christmas portrait with St. Nicholas. Keep all our facial features, body proportions, and group arrangement consistent with the original photo. Transform the child so they are sitting happily on St. Nicholas's lap, smiling or looking curious. St. Nicholas appears as a kind elderly man with a long white beard, wearing a deep red bishop-style robe trimmed with gold and a classic mitre. Place the family around him in a warm, heartwarming pose. Dress the family in cozy, coordinated winter outfits in festive colors such as green, red, cream, or gold. The background should be a magical Christmas setting with decorated pine trees, golden fairy lights, soft falling snow, and subtle holiday decor like ornaments, lanterns, and gift boxes. Use soft, warm lighting and natural skin tones. Make the final result look like a professional holiday studio portrait, with crisp detail and a joyful atmosphere. Click Enter. As we wait for the results, I want to let you know that I have compiled a complete collection of 35 copy and paste Nano Banana commands designed specifically for your holiday photos. Click the link in the description. Inside this free guide, you get 10 holiday ambiance prompts, 10 color correction prompts, 10 decor and weather prompts, and 5 family portrait fixes. All of these prompts you can use immediately in Nano Banana. Oh wow! Look at this! This is the result, and I am honestly stunned. Nano Banana completely transformed our simple family photo into a full Christmas masterpiece. The lighting, the colors, the outfits, everything looks so magical and so real. And look at St. Nicholas. The way our child is sitting on his lap feels so natural, like we actually went to a holiday photo studio. The snow, the glowing lights, the entire winter wonderland around us. This turned out even better than I imagined. This is the kind of picture you print, frame, share on social media, and keep forever. And that's how you turn a normal group family photo into a magical Christmas portrait with St. Nicholas, complete with the child sitting on his lap, using Nano Banana. If you want more tutorials like this, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI photo ideas. Before you go, please make sure to download the 35 copy and paste Nano Banana commands designed specifically for your holiday photos. Click the link in the description.